How do you do, gentlemen? We are the Flintstone Canaries.
Oh, no. Not another trained animal act.
All the world am sad and dreary. Everywhere I roam. Oh, darling, how my heart grows weary. Far from the old folks at home.
Great! Wonderful! What do you think, sir?
Just what we're looking for.
Congratulations, Flintstone! Your group is sensational!
You mean we've passed the audition?
Not only that, you're going to be on next week's show!
Yabba-dabba-doo! You hear that, Barney? What do you got to say for yourself?
Get me out of this tub, will you? I'm freezing.
I don't understand it. The boys said they'd be on TV tonight, and Hum-Along's almost over.
Well, that's it for tonight, gang. Hope you enjoyed the show.
Hum, 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 hum. Hum along, hum along, hum along.
Until next week, this is the Hum Along with Herman show, reminding you to buy soft soap. Soft soap, because...
Soft soap is the soap for you. Soft soap, soft soap. Gentle for babies and brontosaurus too. It prevents embarrassment.
Good heavens! It's Barney and Fred!
Soft soap in your bathtub. Use a great big hunk. Better buy some soft soap quick before they call you skunk. Soft soap, soft soap, soft soap.